Building a gaming computer on a budget, especially right now in the time of a pandemic, can be kind of tough compared to previous years. How about a full setup on a budget though? Yep, let's get into it. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician. Real quick, if you're new around here and are into tech, PC hardware, gaming, stream tips, tutorials, news, and reviews, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew, so feel free to drop by and talk some tech. Anyways, let's get to the video. $700. That's what this full setup cost. Well, actually, we came in under $700, which is nice, but $676 is close enough. The goal here was for decent 1080p gaming performance. So let's get straight to the parts. CPU, Ryzen 3 3100. GPU, Radeon RX 470 4GB via eBay, the only used part in the build, $88. RAM, G-Skill Ripjaw 16 gigs, DDR4 3200 CL16, $58.99. Motherboard, Gigabyte B450 DS3H, $74.99. Not my first choice for motherboard, but you know, is what it is. Power supply, EVGA 450 watt W3, $44.99. SSD, Team Group MP33 256 gig NVMe, $36.99. Case, DIY PC A9 mid tower, $38.99. Monitor, Scepter 75Hz 24-inch 1080p monitor, $120. Keyboard, mouse, and headset, all in one box. SportsBot SS301 kit, $29.99. I stream the build over on our Twitch channel and stream anything from PC builds to gaming over there. So if you want to catch this kind of content happening live, then make sure to head over there and drop a follow. Link is down in the description. This build originally started off with an HEC HX210 micro ATX tower, and while it looks like an okay case for what it cost, holy crap did I end up hating it. It made the GPU sit so low in the case that it couldn't breathe despite having a front fan blowing right on it, and any RX 470 GPU that I put in the system would jump to 90C in stress testing within minutes, and the way you mount the front fans to the outside of the case, then sandwich the front panel on top of them, made the fans that I chose rub no matter what. This caused me to remount the fans back inside. Kind of frustrating. I had to ditch the case and rebuild in a mid tower, and the budget targeted DIY PC A9 didn't cost much more, but man, what a difference. I might make a video dedicated to this case, so let me know if it's something you guys want to see. Anyways, let's get to the benchmarks. With everything running in optimized medium to high, depending on the game, this system definitely still manages to impress. The RX 470 is just so damn good for the money in a budget system. The lowest average FPS any of the games tested got was 91.8, and since the paired monitor is a 75Hz display, that's plenty fine. I've always felt that 4-core 8-thread CPUs are still plenty fine for gaming, and this kind of reinforced that. But the Cinebench scores this thing was getting was super impressive compared to 4-core hyper-threaded CPUs of years past. Zen 2 is just so good. But for the rest of the stuff, this keyboard, monitor, and headset combo for only $30 is actually kind of impressive too. Sure, it's a membrane keyboard, but for LEDs and a gamery look to all the pieces, it's not bad. The mouse is actually kind of nice though, and has adjustable DPI. I do want to add, since this is being gifted to an acquaintance's daughter, I reached into some of my own stuff to add a Wraith Prism cooler, some RGB fans, and a Wi-Fi card to the build. And as I also decided against overclocking it, so the benchmarks are all stock. So, what do you guys think? Like the build? Think under $700 all in for a full setup like this isn't bad? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments below. We always have more content coming, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button if you like the video, and feel free to follow on any of our socials, linked down in the description below. I'm usually pretty active on Twitter and Discord, so if you want to talk some tech, those are the places to be, as well as on our Twitch for our weekly live streams, Fridays at 8 p.m. Pacific. See you on the next video. Bye. Make sure to click on one of our related videos right over here. We got plenty of cool stuff, including a budget Go XLR alternative for you streamers out there. That's a really interesting solution, as well as other stuff. So just click one. Come on. If you clicked yet, fine, whatever.